Can you, is it loud? All right. Are the children absent yesterday, today or what? No, there are a number of children absent. There are about, I think, 11 students in the class. And just 7 of you sitting here. Okay. Now, very quickly, each one of you sitting here in the classroom, very quickly take up any words. See, the first one is mannequin. Mannequin is a person whose job is to wear and display new style of clothes. When you go to the market, and you see those, they're mannequins dressed in those latest fashionable clothes in the window frames, and you say that yes, you like the jewelry or you like the sweater or the shoes, and then you go inside. But normally what word do you use when you go to the market? What do you call them? You call them dummy or something, right? But what are they actually called? आपने ऑनलाइन मेरे को बताया नहीं, बच्चों ने बताया मेरे को. हाँ, they told me. So when you next time go to the market, you will not see, again I'm saying, we are writing them to bring it to your spoken, to your written. That will come only when you will use it. Right? So next time when you go to the market and you see a mannequin wearing, say the mannequin is wearing nice shoes. I want to buy same shoes. Next is impound. Impound is to take something away from somebody so that they cannot use it. Confiscate. But this is, impound is normally we use it by the police or the courts of law. Like after the accident, the car was impounded by the police. Look at the third one. Third is impertinent. Impertinent is rude behavior. Fourth one is imperative. Imperative is very important. It is imperative for you that you don't postpone your work and get over with it every day so that you don't pile on the work, right? I've given you the 4 words. Very quickly tell me the meaning, make a sentence with each word, and then we'll proceed with the syllabus. The dress on the mannequin is trending these days. Oh, yes. Okay, good. Any word of your choice, everyone sitting in the classroom. Yes, his behavior is impertinent with his grandmother. Good. Yes, boys? Quick, quick, we got a lot to cover. Yes, definitely. You have to be imperative. Next, quick. The police has impounded a weapon from their house or from the thief. Yes. And remember, the word is impound, confiscate. It's not just here or just not for your register. Wherever outside, somewhere it is being used, remember to use the word impound. A neighbor's car has been impounded by the police because it was stolen or whatever. Use it. Hurry up, who's left? You 2 are left, 3 are left. It is imperative for you to make a sentence to improve your English. Hurry up, boy, hurry up. I'm going to start with that, I'm going to start with Hornbill from tomorrow. Yes? Impertinent, okay. behavior or his behavior is impertinent towards his parents. Think quick. What were we doing? Doing advertisements now? Can you see advertisements now? What is that called in English? That's called goosebumps. You see advertisements, they're not there. This won't work. I have to do a couple of more thought of it. Thought of it. The dress worn by the mannequin is very gorgeous. I'm going to buy it on my birthday. Right? Yes. Only one left. Nature of for his country. Actually, it should be your work should be imperative for your country, you know. I don't know. It's always with this system I have problem. वो मनोज सर को बुला दो, ये चल नहीं रहा. वो मेरी पेन ड्राइव भी ले आएंगे साथ में. अच्छा एक मिनट रुको, चल गया. I don't know, I have the advertisements. I have to do a couple of more advertisements with you. But now I'm taking up posters with you. Now look here. Poster is what? Poster is something which is normally you must have seen it pasted on the walls. And all right, just a general question. What all things have you noticed in posters? What kind of posters do you see on the walls when you are passing by? What kind of posters? Forget about studies, forget about syllabus, just general. Promotion of an election party, all right, yes. There is always a drawing, a logo, you know. What else? Any products, any new thing, tuition classes. What else? Schools also. Toppers, again, promotions for their coaching institutes. What else? If there is some fate, if there is some kind of sale, those posters are also put up on the walls. What other things have you seen? They're always big in size. The alphabet, the font is so big that standing here, passing by, if you just turn your head, your eyes will fall on it. Even from here, you will get to see, all right, there is a magic show in this place, or a movie has launched or a mobile has been launched, from a distance you can read it. It carries a drawing. The matter is very less. There are slogans, and normally the matters are written in bubbles, very attractive manner. Different colors are used. Here we don't use colors, you just use a single pen. That's a poster, right? A poster is used to spread awareness regarding a social issue, an event, or a product. Now keep the following points in mind while you draft a poster. Give it a heading, a catchy line or slogan. You can use clauses, use higher or lower cases, the alphabets, higher or lower case, or you could mix it both. Remember to illustrate your poster with a sketch. It is not compulsory, but yes, it is a poster. It must carry some kind of illustration with it, you know. Then there is no fixed layout. Use a language which can be very attractive from a distance. Some slogan, some matter that you go close to it and read. Where is this sale, or where this magic show is, or where this product has been launched. Word limit is 50. Content should be clear. For contents, include the following. For awareness of a social problem, that might some, I don't know whether I have. All right. For a social problem, it could be say no to tobacco. No? Could be about what else? It could be awareness on accidents, drive slow, or the other social issues. Any additional useful information for an event, name of the event. I suppose if it is about Diwali fete. No? There's a poster about Diwali fete. Now you have to write down where is that fete, which ground, what date, what timings, what are there, is it the entry free, or the entry is carrying some nominal charges. No? Name of the event, purpose, date, time, venue, organizer's name, entry ticket, highlights of the event. It's a Diwali fete. You could mention some kind of games, free games, or free entry. You could invite some celebrity to that Diwali fete. All this spontaneously you have to write in your answer sheet. You just need to know how to write. What to write? Child will do it there, whatever comes to his mind. Right? Okay. Now here, these are the marks, 3 marks. 3 marks. Why should child lose 1 mark also? 3 means 3 out of 3. Poster, topic of your choice, something which you enjoy doing. You shouldn't lose marks. Second thing, how much time you should take for a 3 marks question? 5-6 minutes. That's it, not more than this. What happens in exam? Topic is of child's choice. He enjoys it. So now he wants to decorate it. It's like save water. Now he can draw a tap. He can make those little droplets. Save water, don't waste it. He has spent almost 12-13 minutes on 3 marks. Decorating it, beautifying it, making it more impressive. How many will you get? Out of 3, you will get 3 only. Out of 3, you cannot get 10. But because of your 3 marks, you have missed out of 5 marks. Because time has run short. You could not finish the paper. Isn't it? Okay. Now let us dig deeper, making best poster. Essentially, I had taken down a couple of. Okay. Now, main thing you must remember, whenever there is a poster, again, there is no fixed format. But yes, if you're talking about save water, that main point should be centralized. It should be centralized with bigger font. Like, you have not written save water. Here you have just made a drawing, a bucket, or the people are using a hose pipe and say, please don't use this, save water, water is precious, it's an elixir for life. But you're not the central thing. Save water is nowhere to be seen. Little drawings are there. Are you understanding? Main thing should be centralized. Then always you must have noticed that these posters, some organization has put up the poster. It's not that randomly somebody um, has come, some ghost has put it up. There is an authority. It could be Red Cross Society, it could be Government of India, it could be about, let's say, traffic police, you know. So you have to mention in the poster the issuing authority. Here we write down, issued in public interest by traffic police UP, name of the state. Question is not telling you. Question is just saying draft a poster making the public aware about following the traffic rules. That is all. You have to write down that issued in public interest by traffic police. Are you getting it? If there are special attractions, illustrations with a caption, when, where, if it is a Diwali fete or there's any other, there is some show, magic show, there has to be a venue, there has to be a date, there has to be a time for this. Day, date, time for this, and an entry fees. Nowadays you have that these fees is, you can book it online also, you could add that things. Then we have is by, okay, issuing authority, tagline, it has to be in accordance with the question. Tagline should be in accordance with the question. You have these taglines of these cold drinks, you know. Which one is this? Dar ke aage jeet hai. You know? What is that called? Mountain Dew. So these are taglines. You have these taglines even for these washing powders or some washing machines, so many things. They have a tagline. Invent a tagline yourself for a new product. No? Then we have, I think I have taken down a couple of thoughts. It should be in a box. Make sure you double check for grammatical accuracy and spellings. There are hardly chances that you would make grammatical errors because you're not writing down a paragraph or something. You are just writing slogans. But yes, make sure there are no spelling mistakes in that. You know, practice previous year questions or do's. Make sure it fits within one page only. Very important. It's not that topic is of your interest and so you want to make it, take it to next. Suppose the question says, draft a poster at the launching of the new laptop, the new series of mobile phone. Child has more information than everybody in his house. He feels, yes, new phone, you'll draw this feature, this thing, that thing, cost, EMI, all that. And you say, still more information. So half of it you're taking to the next page. Don't. Use sharpened pencils, bold and underline important information. Now, what are the don'ts? No usage of short forms or slang. Please, no usage of short forms or slangs. This because, BCOZ, and what all do you do? There's so many things, you know. Not getting lot many things. All right, now look at the sample. We have this. Shastradhara, a water conservation organization, needs a poster to promote water conservation, right? Drafting a poster highlighting water crisis facing the country, need to water conservation. All right, here our poster starts. Water shortage, droughts, water famine, water riots. We can avoid all these if each one of us uses water judiciously. Remember, water is a scarce resource. Join hands to conserve what is left. Use adjustable flush tank for short and long flushing. Use 1 liter bottle inside flush tank. Stop leaking taps. Take a bucket bath instead of shower. Save 70 liters per day. Save 99 liters. Save 2 liters. You can make a difference. If these water conservation techniques are followed by each of us, on average, one person can save 112 liters of water every day. That's really too much, isn't it? How much water we waste. Turn off the tap while brushing teeth, shaving, save water, save life. See, Shastradhara is that organization which has put up the notice. So we'll put it issued in public interest by Shastradhara. I have some more posters. Just one. Let me just see. That's it. Just one. Will a sample do for you? Right, this is how you've got it. Okay. Now what we are taking up? The Mumbai Theatre Group needs a poster for its forthcoming production, The Kachra Tales by Nayantra Roy. Draft an attractive poster announcing the show, inviting theatre lovers. Okay, so we take up 2 posters. All right, so we take up 2, right? Now, AIDS, we'll not do it, AIDS. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research is organizing a public fair on sustainable energy with a special focus on bio. Which, see, one we are taking up. After that, you tell me what do you want. Okay, we take up first and second. First and second. You want to see that sample or no? You got it? How to do it? Tell me yourself. You want to copy that? No use. I'll forward it to you in the group. I'll forward that to you in the group. Something which you already have seen, done it by, copy it, you know. Grow. Come out of that 7th, 8th, 9th class. You have to grow up, got to think ahead, be mature enough. Now we are doing 2 types of posters. One poster we are taking up like this, right? It's about child education and all that, points are there. One we are taking up is this one. You have to announce the show. This is the name. You have to give when is it, where is it, what are the timings, and whether the entry is free. It's your choice. I think it's better you charge. They've given some points. In your poster, include the following details: name of the organizer, name of the play, its author and its director, frame it yourself, date, time, venue, mode of entry. It could be free passes, donor cards, additional information, names of leading actors and their roles, one description of what audience will get to see in the play. Fine? First you understand, because once we start doing it, we will do it with time. We'll start the time later on. First you think, plan out what all can you think about it. It'll come in a box. Name of the organization, it's Mumbai Theatre Group. You know, so it could be Mumbai Theatre Group announces. its forthcoming production. What is the name? The Kachra Tales. Author they've given by Nentra Roy. Okay. Now you have to give day timings. You could have 2 shows, 3 shows, 2 hours. No? You could add some free snacks with it. Anything. I don't want to get into your head. I want to leave you free to think yourself. Think, because after once we start writing, it has to be within time. 3 marks to be done, 5 minutes. Let's give it 6 minutes. You copied on the question. Copied on the question. Both the questions, let's do maximum work in the class itself, directly in your fair registers, so that there's less of hassle for you children. Not in paragraph at all. See, the way this is, there's no paragraph here. Nothing. See, it is like Kachra Tales. You could make some, not Kachra or something like, you could promote, you could invite some, somebody from the social media, social field. It has to be accompanied by a drawing. There has to be a drawing. Your time starts. Right? For both the questions. I have excluded your mark time for writing the question. Pencil, scale, drawing, all this is included in your time. For both the questions, I've given you 17 minutes. My red pen, my red pen. kind of drawing if possible? Uh, like what all kind of kachra? But that is the easiest drawing you can make, you know. Easiest drawing. You could have used the pastel here. Mumbai Theatre Group brings Kachra Tales, Center Kachra Tales. Author Narayana Roy, directed by Keshav. There should have been a gap of one line here, one line here. The leading actors. There's something like this should have squeezed out. Fine, it's absolutely right. Date, times. Mention about the ticket passes and all. But now you've already drawn a line. Is this with a pencil or pen? Pen? Very good. Very good. Second poster, you'll make it in this much space. The second also, please. Everybody has to do the second one also. Oh, you saw that poster. The brains. There should have been a gap of one line. That short tail should have been big, big. Suppose if this is written, this is pasted. Poster is always pasted on the walls or something. How much do you think can you see from this? Nothing. The kachra tails should have been written in a bigger font. Date, okay, time, okay, venue, okay. Leading actors dash Aditya Sharma and maybe two more names, you know. Then you mention about the passes, ticket, quick. Done? My red pen, you know. 2 p.m. show. Good, good, good. They've already mentioned somebody, na? Nayanthara Roy, you've written somewhere? Narayana Roy. The Kachra Tales by Nayanthara Roy. By Nayanthara Roy probably stands for that he's the director, you know. Uh, where is Mumbai Theatre Group? Organized by my author Karthik. Okay, good. Free passes. Okay, fine, good. My red pen is it? Tomorrow I'll just put it. Okay. You mentioned the venue. Where is it? Theatre S. Okay, okay. S is for the sound. Done, everyone? The next one. You just have 7-8 minutes. Fast. Preferably not such slogans. Fine. Done. Extra tail. Oh, it should have spread it till here. There should have been a gap. Kacha tail, big, big. Then a gap. You should have spread it till here. Otherwise, dates, this. Second one? Okay. A lot of information is there in the question itself, you know. You just have to kind of arrange it. You just have to arrange the information. I'll discuss a couple of more advertisements with you. Bring your hornbill tomorrow. Hornbill, right? No, see, Silver Line NGO engaged in ensuring education to the poor, deprived children needs a poster. You just have to make a poster. Adopt a child's education is the heading. That means we'll keep it centralized. Program seeking sponsorship for individual students, you know. That means you have to seeking sponsorship. Or then you could have the heading like this also. Thousands, remove the word how. Thousands and millions of poor children are deprived of education. That could be there, whichever way. Then you, again, Silver Line creates an opportunity for a better life for them by adopting or by, if children, people come forward for the sponsorship of the education. I hope I'm getting you. No? And then just mention, you can make small donations, you can do it through Paytm, through bank draft, on the numbers given below, and write some fictitious numbers, you know, or where they can make the donations, you know. Five minutes are left, fast. You must make a drawing in this, whatever drawing you want, but some kind of drawing has to be there. Okay, good, good, good. Easy also, and drawing also. silver line, an NGO, one line under that, ensuring education to the poor and deprived children. No, not in the middle, in the end. It's good, fine. Right now it's okay. Quick, quick. Hmm? Oh no, not like this. These are too detailed. No, no, no. It has to be short phrases. It has to be short. No, this will not be acceptable. Adopted child's education school. It, okay, even if I accept this, silver line NGO. Um, what is this? Oh, spelling of opportunities. OPPORTUNITIES. Be brief, be very brief, better be brief. This is okay now, I'll not say that it's wrong, but be very brief, not like this, cut out some keywords, and then make some drawing. You made a drawing here. Donations, small donations. Small donations help us to buy essentials. Donations are opportunities. No. This appreciated or donations are appreciated, but that's it. Why add donations are appreciated? Donate online /cash /ICICI Bank on following. Are you getting it? Made via online. With your donation, you are helping to create a rich, bright future for the children. This should have been brief, It's like when I read it, it's fine. But brief it, like the when we had the salt one. That way. NGO you've written, silver lining you've written, small donations, okay. Small donations can help children or make small donations through check, draft, or this. See, like this. Look here. Small, like this. Don't have my